Every forged gear begins deep beneath the earth. Raw iron ore begins its journey to transformation. The first step is reducing earth into usable material. Stone is broken down to prepare for refining. Material flows continuously toward purification. Magnetism isolates the valuable iron within. Iron takes form for the furnace ahead. Heat will unlock the metal within. Liquid iron emerges at extreme temperatures. Carbon is balanced to create strong forging steel. Steel solidifies into precise billet shapes. Each billet is cut to forging dimensions. Controlled cooling stabilizes internal structure. Every billet must meet strict standards. Imperfections are removed before forging begins. Prepared billets await their next stage. Transport to the forging facility begins. The journey from billet to gear blank has begun. Steel moves toward the heart of manufacturing. Precision steel travels under careful restraint. Each billet carries controlled metallurgical strength. The forging facility awaits its raw material. Every delivery is verified before entry. Weight is recorded with industrial accuracy. Positioning prepares for careful unloading. Precision begins before the forging ever starts. Safety protocols guide every movement. Heavy lifting now takes control. Steel transitions into the forging domain. Heat and force define what happens next. Material staging ensures continuous production flow. Traceability links every billet to its origin. Heating prepares steel for plastic deformation. Temperature rises toward forging range. Controlled heat softens steel without weakening it. Now, force will shape the future gear. Inside this structure, controlled force shapes solid steel. The forging line operates with relentless precision. Heat and force converge at the heart of production. This press delivers thousands of tons of shaping force. Steel reaches forging temperature, ready to deform. Every cavity defines the geometry to come. Force begins reshaping the internal grain structure. Repositioning ensures even material flow. Material redistributes under immense compression. Excess material signals the die has filled completely. Flash must be removed to refine shape. Clean edges prepare for final forming. Waste is collected for recycling. Controlled reheating restores forging temperature. Thermal control maintains structural integrity. Uniform heat ensures consistent grain refinement. The final die will define the gear blank form. Precision dies determine dimensional accuracy. The final strike locks the grain into strength. Ejection clears the die for continuous flow. Controlled cooling begins immediately. Airflow manages thermal gradients. Oxide scale forms as heat dissipates. Surface cleaning restores raw metal clarity. Abrasive cleaning prepares for inspection. Media is recovered for continuous reuse. The forged geometry is now visible. Initial dimensions confirm forging accuracy. Critical thickness ensures structural reliability. Human expertise complements automation. Hidden flaws must be revealed early. Integrity is verified before machining. Traceability follows each component. Prepared blanks advance to precision machining. Forging gives strength, machining brings accuracy. The next phase transforms form into precision. Machining begins where forging leaves off. Automation ensures repeatable handling. Secure clamping defines machining stability. Rotation converts force into precision. Surface irregularities are removed to true the face. Waste material is continuously cleared. Dimensional accuracy is refined to microns. Verification occurs before machining continues. The hub bore defines future shaft alignment. Final passes ensure concentric perfection. Chamfers prevent stress concentrations. One operation completes, another begins. Multi-stage machining builds cumulative accuracy. Thickness uniformity ensures balance. Surface irregularities are removed to true the face. Edges are refined for safe assembly. The blank is now dimensionally true. Next, teeth will be carved into steel. Precision cutting now defines the gear's identity. Secure mounting ensures perfect concentricity. Two rotations synchronize to carve precision. Steel yields to exact mathematical geometry. Each rotation completes a uniform profile. Clean coolant sustains uninterrupted cutting. Final passes perfect the tooth profile. Measurement verifies geometric accuracy. One stage concludes with precision confirmed. Sharp edges are softened for durability. Refinement prevents premature wear. Residual oil and chips are eliminated. Clean surfaces prepare for heat treatment. Moisture removal prevents oxidation. Next comes strength through controlled hardening. Batch preparation ensures uniform processing. Carbon enrichment strengthens the surface layer. Precise heat cycles define mechanical performance. Carbon diffuses into the surface under controlled heat. The hardening phase moves to rapid cooling. Timing is critical between heat and quench. Rapid cooling locks in hardened structure. Quenching transforms microstructure into martensite. Uniform cooling prevents internal stress imbalance. The hardened shell now protects the core. Residual oil must be completely removed. Cleanliness prepares for tempering. Tempering restores toughness without losing hardness. Balance between hardness and ductility is achieved. Heat treatment cycle concludes with controlled precision. Surface hardness is scientifically verified. Data confirms structural integrity. Traceability secures every production batch. Compressive stress improves fatigue resistance. Surface strength is enhanced for heavy load cycles. Final precision now defines operational perfection. Grinding refines hardened steel to micron accuracy. Secure mounting ensures perfect tooth alignment. Abrasive precision replaces cutting geometry. Microns are removed to perfect the profile. Uniformity across every tooth ensures smooth transmission. Measurement confirms precision before release. Tool condition is maintained for consistency. The gear now meets final dimensional form. Precision transitions into surface refinement. Surface roughness is reduced for silent operation. Friction and wear are minimized. Rotational balance ensures vibration-free performance. Even minor imbalance is corrected immediately. Material removal fine-tunes rotational harmony. Stability is now mathematically confirmed. Final cleaning ensures assembly readiness. Dry surfaces prevent corrosion. Final verification protects reliability. Final verification guarantees operational reliability. Coordinate measurement defines dimensional truth. Thousands of data points confirm exact geometry. Digital comparison validates manufacturing precision.
Tooth geometry determines transmission efficiency.
Invalid form must be mathematically exact. Uniform spacing ensures smooth power transfer. Surface finish reduces friction and wear. Metallurgy confirms internal integrity. Case depth verifies successful carburizing. Hardness gradient balances strength and toughness. Invisible defects are ruled out. Operational noise levels meet strict standards.
Human oversight completes technical validation.
Certified for assembly and shipment. From precision to protection, the final stage begins. Protection ensures precision survives transport. A thin protective layer guards against oxidation. Custom packaging absorbs shock during transit. Each unit is secured with controlled precision. Traceability continues beyond the factory floor. Grouping ensures stable shipment. Tensioned film secures cargo integrity. Weight verification finalizes documentation. Inventory is organized for dispatch efficiency. Storage preserves readiness for shipment. Orders trigger final movement. Prepared goods move toward departure. Secure placement ensures transport stability. Safety checks complete the loading process. The journey continues beyond these walls. From billet to precision gear, transformation is complete. Strength, accuracy, and control define every unit. And this is how modern factories produce gear blanks from billet to finish. Engineering precision forged through heat and force. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.